Welcome back to Latest Auto Pro. Today we bring you the ultimate blend of power, luxury, and performance, the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz BRABUS GLS 800. This beast takes the already impressive GLS and transforms it into a high-performance masterpiece. So buckle up as we dive into its insane specs, aggressive design, and next-level features. From the very first glance, the BRABUS GLS 800 makes a powerful statement. It features an aggressive Panamericana-style front grille, a custom BRABUS carbon fiber body kit, and a redesigned front bumper for an even sportier look. The massive 23-inch forged wheels wrapped in performance tires give it an imposing road presence, while the widened stance enhances aerodynamics. At the back, you get quad stainless steel exhaust tips, a sporty carbon fiber diffuser, and BRABUS badging that lets everyone know this isn't just any GLS, this is a power-packed monster. Step inside and you're greeted with ultra-luxurious BRABUS masterpiece leather upholstery with contrast stitching. The ambient lighting system sets the mood, while the carbon fiber and aluminum trim add a sporty touch. The fully digital 12.3-inch infotainment system comes with the latest MBUX technology, providing seamless connectivity and entertainment. The BRABUS branded steering wheel gives you a firm grip on this beast, and the aluminum paddle shifters remind you you're in control of pure power. Now let's talk about what truly makes the BRABUS GLS 800 a beast, the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. BRABUS has taken this powerhouse and tuned it to an astonishing 800 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. This means a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs on the planet. And with BRABUS' upgraded 9-speed automatic transmission, you get seamless power delivery and blistering acceleration. Despite its raw power, the BRABUS GLS 800 ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. The adaptive air suspension allows you to switch between comfort and sport modes, adjusting the ride height as needed. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing it on the highway, this SUV adapts perfectly to your driving style. Now, for the big question, how much does it cost? Well, the 2025 BRABUS GLS 800 isn't cheap. It starts at around $350,000, depending on the customization options you choose. But for that price, you're getting an ultra-luxurious SUV with supercar-like performance and the exclusivity of BRABUS engineering. So what do you think about the 2025 BRABUS GLS 800? Is this the ultimate performance SUV, or would you pick something else? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Latest Auto Pro for more epic car content. See you in the next one.